This is Case Tools lab exercise number 7, and in this exercise we are going to see how to draw a component diagram. So the question that we are going to consider for drawing a component diagram is, to draw a component diagram for Karunya University, the system should contain examination portal, My Karunya, courses at Karunya, grievance addressal cell, admission process, alumni portal, research and entrepreneur cell. So let's see how the component diagram should be drawn for this. So in this component diagram, we mainly have components. So the Karunya University admission process, these are all called as the components, and they are being connected with each other. These components are being connected with each other by using the association or the dependency lines, and also there are interfaces in between which provides a more detailed relationship between both the components. So as you can see here, we have Karunya University, where it contains admission process, fees, facilities and alumni portal. So in the admission process, the admission takes place, and here there are few conditions that are to be considered. Not all the students who come for admission are being admitted. So once this admission is over, the students are being selected, and for them a separate My Karunya and courses at Karunya are being created. So once this is being created, all their marks, attendance and all their faculty details, subject registered and their internal marks, everything are being stored there. So not just that, once all these information, that is the attendance and all such things are satisfied, and once all of these are done, an examination portal is present, and through this examination portal the person can access their exam hall ticket. They can generate the generated exam hall ticket can be taken, and also the exam halls can also be they are also displayed, and they can be accessed by the students. Now let's come to the second part of it. So once the admission process is done, what happens is the updating process happens. So this process is continued once the students are selected. And also once the students are selected, there are many batches. So the final year batches will be getting out of the college, and the new first year batches will be getting in. So the final year batch students' details are being pushed into another database or another folder, which are the older ones, and the new updating process happens here, and the datas are being updated in the student database. Also in the Karunya University, we have this fee structure where the fees can be exam fees, mess dues, then external fee, lab, etc. So these fees are actually connected to a package. So in this package, what it does is, all the informations are being stored, and it can be accessed by any number of components. So as you can see here, all these fees are being they access the fees that is being paid. It also shows the status. So only when the fees is paid, the exam portal will allow you to see the hall ticket as well as your exam hall. Now when we come later, Karunya University's facility, that is, we have the research and entrepreneur cell and the grievance address cell. So the first one is, if any help is needed, then the person has to go to this grievance address cell, and if any person is interested in research, then they'll have to approach the research and the entrepreneur cell. Then Karunya University also has an alumni portal, which is being accessible by all the alumni, by all the pass out students. And here what happens is, a conducting date, that is a venue, a place is being selected or chosen, and it is being told to all or conveyed to all of them, so that they can all meet in one place. So then the alumni meeting is being conducted. So this is how we can draw a component diagram for the Karunya University. And yeah, this is the end of the experiment. Thank you.